Hey guys, as you see in the picture, CaseKaro is giving free gift plus coupon, and not only that, you have mobile back covers at just 69 rupees. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered some mobile back covers on CaseKaro. This is how the packaging was. It's a good packaging. As you see here, I've got different types of back covers at just 69 rupees. Say silicone, glass cases, hard cases and pop cases are also available. You can check out on their website. As you see here, this kind of free gift will be available for you. This is glass back cover. It's a 3-layered protection back cover. It seems pretty premium quality, as you see here, and you can also expect this kind of free gift at checkout by applying a coupon, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, this is pop cases or mobile back cover. It's a premium design teddy bear back cover, which you will like. It is just at 69 rupees. As you see here, you have cotton kinda back covers, which you can check out on CaseKaro. Okay, let me tell you, free delivery is available for orders above $4.99 and above. Plus coupon also is available at checkout, with which you can get 10% off. And coming to free gift, there's no minimum order value to get a free gift, but the condition is you got to add glass cases, minimum 2 glass cases or back covers in the cart, and you can avail a free gift by applying a coupon at checkout, which I'll show you now. And sometime, as you see here, you can go to CaseKaro website, and this is how the home screen looks. You have different kinda back covers basing on your phone models, and here you can check out the coupons as well. Not only mobile back covers at just 69 rupees, you have mouse pads at 99 rupees. If you want customized back covers, you can get to zapvi video as shown in the picture, and there you can have this customized back covers if you want. As you see in the picture, you can go to mobile back covers on the home screen by scrolling down. You have different phone models available here depending on your phone model. Okay, as you see in the picture, you have different kinda back covers after choosing your phone model at just 69 rupees, and you can add to the cart as shown in the picture. I'm adding to the cart cartoon back cover. Okay, anyways, you can add to cart as many you wish to, but make sure if you want a free gift, you have to add to cart minimum 2 glass cases, and for free shipping you got to add to cart minimum order value of 4.99 rupees. Once you does that, you can go to cart as shown here, go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown in the picture to avail the free gift. As you see here, free gift is being added in the cart. The coupon is B2G1 for free gift, and you can check out the free gift here itself. I've got this back cover as free gift as shown in the picture. If you don't want free gift, you can go to coupons again as shown in the video and apply the coupon as CaseKaro 10, but free gift would be cancelled as shown in the picture. So you can apply either of the coupons, whichever you like to. After applying the coupon, give your address and phone number, click on continue. You can check out here via online payment mode or cash on delivery, whichever you like to, and place your order. That's it, done. This is how you can place your order on CaseKaro plus get a free gift, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day.